The importance of video editing. Hey, my name is Winnie and I'm a photographer who loves taking pictures using the smartphone. Today I'm going to share with you why do we need to edit our video. Why? Do you know that, first of all, our videos when we are recording, it may be long, dull, and it could be with a lot of stopping in between, and also scenes that are not interesting. That is why you need to cut off those unwanted and not beautiful parts so that your video's length could be shorter. Do you know why? This is because currently there are so many videos being posted every second. Our attention span is really limited. 3 seconds is actually the golden time for an audience to actually watch a video. If they like it, they will continue to watch until the end. If they are not, they will continue to scroll the video. That is why video editing is a necessity. Secondly, if your video is added visual effects, sound effects, and even music background, your entire video would look livelier and interesting, because no one wants to watch a speaking role shot from the start until the end unless the person is a celebrity, isn't it? That is why by adding suitable B-rolls on top of your speaking shot is also a good idea. Basically, B-roll is the supplementary footages that support the speaking shots. It can be very interesting when, let's say for example, I'm talking about 5 tips on how you could exercise. When I am actually talking about exercise, this keyword, you can actually record yourself doing an exercise, and this serves as a B-roll for your video. And also, thirdly, audiences do not want to watch a monotone video from the start until the end. It will be really dull and boring. That is why adding music background, visual effects, and even sound effects are really important. But do remember, add them in a moderation. Okay? So I hope you have learned something today, and don't forget to follow my page and give a thumbs up if you like the video. And I shall see you next. Bye bye!